And Gabe here. Hello everyone. Now it's time to oil Gabriel's scalp. We're going to be using the new homemade rosemary oil that we had just made at home yesterday. If you haven't seen how I made that oil, you can check that out on my YouTube channel. The video is called How to Make Rosemary Oil at Home. And I did my hair in that video, applied it, let it sit, wash and condition it. And now it is Gabriel's turn to do his hair from one side to another. It was wash day for us both, so we just both did it together. If you guys have a moment, please do go ahead into our YouTube channel and like these videos, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for future videos just like this one. Sorry for the noise in the background, everyone. It's windy and we're in a border town in Mexico and there's lots of traffic. Once I'm done oiling his scalp, I'm going to give it a good scalp massage for about 3 minutes and then use my fingers to detangle Gabriel's curls, since this oil actually allowed a lot of slip to his curls, so it was easy for me to detangle with my fingers. And this actually allowed me to get a lot more oil throughout his hair. After I've gotten it pretty even throughout his hair, I let him sit and play while we wait. Washed and conditioned his hair once we were done waiting the 2 hours. So I deep conditioned Gabriel's hair like normal on wash day, but instead of twisting and training his curls that way, I just finger curled his hair all the way around. We capped it and let it sit for about 30-45 minutes and voila! Beautiful, shiny, silky, hydrated curls. So this is how Gabriel's curls came out after using the fresh homemade rosemary oil we made at home, using avocado oil as a base, fresh rosemary leaves, and a little bit of aloe in the mixture. We did not use any products after this. It's just strictly air dried, and they came out amazing. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll see you next time. Bye.